Hello friends, welcome to Rishika's USA Diaries. So today we are going to review Donatone i09 wireless earbuds. It is available on Amazon for $46. I'll give you the link in the description. So this is the box. Let's see the specification. So it has wireless 5.0 version. The maximum transmission rate is 15 meters. The working temperature is -10 to +50 degrees Celsius. RF sensitivity is 92 decibels. Operating frequency is 2.4 to 2.84 gigahertz. Supported protocol are HPF, A2DP, AVRCB. Music playing time is 5 to 6 hours, and with the charging case we can charge it up to 21 times. To charge headphone it will take around 1.5 hours. Battery capacity is 3.7 volts, so it is two battery, and the charging case capacity is around 2600 megahertz. So let's open the box and see how the headphone looks. So inside the box we have two earbuds and a charging case. So it's little bit heavy. Let's see, I'll open and let's see how it looks. So this is the charging case. This is the USB port, and this is the charging port. These are the earbuds. Look small. Okay. So in the box we got the charging cable. And we have these extra caps. So with the products, so total we are getting 3 caps. This is the user manual. This is the user manual. And this product has 1 year warranty. So let's connect these earbuds to the phone. So to turn on the earbuds, we have to press the earbuds for 3 to 5 seconds. So these headphones are turned on now. In the Bluetooth, go to your phone's Bluetooth setting. So you can find the new device here, i09. So you can see the phone is connected to the headphones. So let's test the sound. So let's play the music and see how the headphones are. So I have played the song. So I am like 2 feet away from the earphones, but I can hear the voice, I can hear the music from the earphones. So if I'm using these headphones for my calls, so there is a chance that the person who is next to me, he can hear all my conversation. So these headphones, they have the other features as well, like if you want to change a song, we can change the song using the buttons on the headphones. So suppose if you want to change the song, you just have to press this button for 1 second and it will change the song. If you want to play the previous song, you have to press the left earbud button and it will play the previous song. This headphone also has a feature for iPhone. If you want to activate Siri, you just have to tap 3 times and Siri will be activated. So let's try that. So as you can see, Siri is activated. To turn off the headphones, you just have to place the headphones in the charging case and it will turn off. And as you can see, this case, it shows the battery power as well. So currently it is 99% charge. And you can see the same information at the top as well. When you turn off, you can see at the top as well. So overall, for $45, these are worth to buy headphones. The sound quality is good. It is waterproof. We can use this for gym, sports, but not for swimming. It has the noise cancellation feature as well, but that is not up to the mark. But in $45, it is good. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my video.